I seriously don't know what to do. I'm not sure how he gets there, but he's afraid to move. And I'm honestly afraid just to leave him like this. My little guy, what happened? Why are you on a chair? Who left you there? He is so tiny. Don't worry. I'm your friend. Little guy, I'm so sorry. What should I do to help? Should I bring something to help him go down? I guess I'll look for something to help him. Don't be afraid. You're so tiny. Oh, I missed the moment where he got in. Not even sure what to do.